Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today something very exciting came into the mail today, and it is something I've been waiting on for quite some time now, but I finally got them, and they are my Ttdeye contacts. I'm so excited because I normally have the clear contacts, but I wanted to try colored contacts. And so I was looking at contacts, and Chelsea was like, dude, they're having a sale on this website. And I was just like, are they expensive? She's like, no, they're not. And so like I looked, and they were having a 30% sale. Like 2 days ago it was a 50% sale, and then the next day was a 40% sale, and then the day that I got them were 30% sale. And so that's why it took me forever to get them, maybe like 3 weeks most tops, because the large orders from all those discounts. But anyways, I got them, and the color that I got, I think it's the HD Browness. I'm gonna show you what they look like, and I don't have any contacts in my eyes, so I'm kind of blind, but I'm excited to put these on. And so it comes in a box that looks like this, and inside they told me that there's gonna be surprises. There's a card, and it says, congratulations honey, $10 off, special coupon code is coming now, you just need to share the code 5 times, use 1 pair of lens you get. Ooh, nice. Alright, so there's an instruction paper on how to put them on. And I think it's very crucial that you read it, even though like I do know how to put contacts in. I just feel like we need to be extra careful because it's our eyes, and that's, if we fuck up our eyes, we're done. We're done. But yeah, and it comes in a tattoo. What does it say? His oven. Something one now. Something with God. I don't know. Oh wait. His own mornings are now surprises to God. Okay, that's cool. Cause I could not read that. I was like, what does this say? But now you could read it. That's cool. And it comes with a little ducky toy. Wait. And it squeaks. We'll name him Jeffrey. It comes in with a contact lens holder and like a suction cup and tweezers. I don't know if I'll be using those because I'm pretty pro at putting them with my finger. Ooh, comes in glitter for like your eyeshadow. That's cool. That's cool. And then it comes in with a Happy Smile hand mirror. So I also get a hand mirror, which is nice. Let's just open them. I'm all excited over the surprises. Yeah, it comes in a mirror. As you can see. Oh, well, as you can see. Oh, and then it comes in with, what is this? Oh, a hair clip. That's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna wear it in my hair. Wait. Ooh, I have too much hair. Hold on. Yes, that is it. That is definitely it. Okay, so these are the contacts. I got them in my level of eyes. So mine are like negative 3.25 and then negative 1 point something. I'm not sure, but hopefully they have which one's left and which one's right, because my eyes are different. Like, I think I'm more blind into my left eye opposed to my right eye. But yeah, okay. So, okay, cool. So this one's a negative 250. It says it like, it should say it like right here. Oh no, right here. Negative 2.50, and then this one's negative 3.25. So that's cool. And I honestly don't remember which one's which, so I'm gonna go check my AccuView to see which one's for which. Okay, so for the right side, so the negative 3.25 is for my right side, and then the negative 2.50 is for my left. And so these look really like, I hope these make a difference on my eyes, because my eyes are pretty dark and I just want them a different color. I kind of wanted to do like a natural color, like a little lighter than my eyes, and then I also wanted to do like either a gray or like a green-ish sort of. Yeah, I'm very excited. Ooh. All right, let's get these. All right, so I'm gonna open these. I wonder what these are for, honestly. Like, I don't know. Like, tweezers. What do you need tweezers for? To like pick that, you think? Oh, and then there's a suction cup to like grab the contact and just put it in my eye. I don't think I'm gonna be using that. And then here's the contacts. I do have solution already, and it's the True. These are my favorite solution. It makes my eyes like feel so much better with the contacts. And yeah, I'm just gonna fill the contact holder. Actually, I'm gonna go wash them because I'm gonna disinfect everything. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna put solution. You could get this at any store. I normally get mine at either Target or Walmart. I'm just gonna fill some in here. I'm gonna put eye drops into my eyes, and it's the Roto Ice. And I kid you not, these are Bible the best. Like, even my eye doctor said you should wear these because like Visine, they're not really good for your eyes. And my friend's dad also told me not to use like Visine. So it was always recommended Rotos, and they have like a cooling sensation, and like I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in my eye. I'm just gonna wipe my face out. It looks like I'm crying, but I'm really not. I just put solution in my eyes. Okay, so make sure your hands are clean, and we're gonna open the right side, right? Yeah, the right side. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. All right. Great. So I have the contact. I'm just gonna clean it out with my solution, just to clean it a little bit more. I'm just gonna use my camera as, or you know what, I might just use, I'm just gonna use the mirror to put it in my eye. So this is what my right side of my eye looks like compared to my natural eye color. Do you see the difference? Let me go further away. Do you see the difference? This one looks more like a lighter, like brown, almost green colored. And then there's like my blind eye, my natural blind eye. There's that. And then there's this color. And I honestly like it. It looks good. It looks really good. So we're gonna put in the other contact into my eye now. And I'm glad that these are prescription, because I was always like, I want colored contacts, but like they probably might not have it in my prescription, or they might like be stupid expensive. And so Ttdeye, they had it for a discount, and they have a really good price. Like, I'm not gonna complain. Like, this is a really good price. So let me grab this one now. So this is what it looks like with both on my eye, and then I'll show you a side by side. So honestly, I like them. They look really good. Like, I can't wait to get my makeup done because this looks really good. Let me show you up close. Like, and like the pupils, like they're big enough. Like, they're not tiny. Like, I could kind of see my contact, but like at the same time, like I could still see out of them, which is a good thing, because I've heard so many people like say like, oh, like I can't see out of the contact because the pupil area is like way too tiny. And so I'm really happy that this is the color. I think I'm gonna get ready right now so I can take pictures. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really was like so excited that I got these contacts, and I really do like them. And so yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. So